Welcome to Goldwagen's Quality Tips. Do you hear a clicking sound when you try to start your car? This may indicate a problem with either your battery or starter motor. The battery supplies electricity to your car. If it's weak or dead, you'll hear the clicking sound when you try to start your car. The starter motor cranks the engine. If there's a fault, the engine won't crank to life. If there's a problem with the alternator, your battery won't charge and you'll hear the clicking noise when trying to start your car. Since there are multiple possible issues related to the clicking sound, the best would be to take your car to a reputable mechanic to find the problem. Once you know what needs replacing, visit your nearest Goldwagen to get the best quality parts for your vehicle to get it starting again.